Oxford English.
Lesson 17.
Who's coming at 3 o'clock? Who's coming at 4? John's coming at 3 o'clock and I'm coming at 4.
Ders 17.
I'm going to the dentist this afternoon.
Planlama ve randevular. Dinleyin.
Listen.
Diana Lovett, Tim'i dişçiye götürecek. Bu arada mağazaya bakacak kimse yok. Büyük oğlu Ben'e telefon ediyor.
Hello?
Hello, is that you, Ben?
Yes, hello, Mum. How are you?
Fine, thanks. Listen, can you do me a favour?
Of course. What?
Can you come to the shop? I'm going to the dentist with Tim, and I've got nobody to look after the shop.
When is the appointment?
At 3 o'clock. I'm leaving here at about 2.
Okay, that's no problem.
Ben ailesiyle erken bir saatte öğle yemeği yer. Babası Sam'in de o gün öğleden sonra yapacağı bazı işler var.
Where are you going, Dad?
I've got an appointment in London at an advertising agency.
How are you going? Are you going by train?
No, I'm driving.
Tekrar.
Repetition.
Önce yalnızca dinleyin.
Go, going.
Come, coming.
Leave, leaving.
I'm going to the dentist.
Ben's coming.
He's coming at 12.
She's leaving at 2.
We're going to the bank.
Bank. Post office.
Chemist. Supermarket.
Where are you going?
I've got an appointment.
Are you going by train?
No,
Drive. Driving.
I'm driving.
Şimdi dinleyin ve yüksek sesle tekrar edin.
Go. Going.
Come, coming.
Leave. Leaving.
I'm going to the dentist.
Ben's coming.
He's coming at 12.
She's leaving at 2.
We're going to the bank.
Bank. Post office.
Chemist. Supermarket.
Where are you going?
I've got an appointment.
Are you going by train?
No,
Drive. Driving.
I'm driving.
Practice.
Uygulama.
Exercise 1. Appointments.
Dişçinin randevularla ilgili sorularına cevap verin. Önce şu 2 örneği dinleyin.
When is Mr. York's appointment?
He's coming at 11.
And Mrs. Price?
She's coming at 11:30.
Şimdi sekreterinin yerine cevapları siz verin. Yüksek sesle hemen cevaplayın.
When is Mr. Bennet's appointment?
He's coming at 12.
And Mrs. Lovett and Tim?
They're coming at 3.
Miss Fitzgerald?
She's coming at 4.
Mr. Parry?
He's coming at 5.
And Mrs. Carter?
She's coming at 6.
Exercise 4. Pronunciation.
Aşağıdaki örnekleri yüksek sesle tekrar ederek şu soruların tonlanışını öğrenin.
Where?
Where are you going?
Where are you going this evening?
Who?
Who's coming?
Who's coming this evening?
Exercise 5.
Şu şarkıyı söyleyin.
Who's coming at 3 o'clock? Who's coming at 4? John's coming at 3 o'clock and I'm coming at 4.
17. dersin sonu.
Oxford English.
Lesson 18.
Excuse me, I'm going by ferry. Where are the docks? Not the airport, not the bus stop, not the station, but the docks. Excuse me, I'm going by ferry. Where are the docks?
Ders 18.
Is there a bus?
Taşıtlar. Dinleyin.
Listen.
Sam Lovett'ın arabası Londra'ya giderken yolda bozulur. Arabayı çok yavaş sürerek en yakın tamirhaneye getirir.
I can't do it today.
But I've got an appointment in London at 4:30.
Well, I can't repair it today. I haven't got the parts. I'm sorry.
Is there a bus?
To London? No, I'm afraid there isn't. But you can get a train, if you're lucky.
Where?
At the station. There's a train to London at 3 o'clock.
Where's the station?
Oh, about 2 kilometres from here.
Is there a taxi?
Yes. Me.
Sam tamirhane sahibinin arabasıyla tren istasyonuna gelir.
Thank you very much. How much is that?
Pay me when you pay for the car. Your train is already in the station.
Okay, thank you.
Tekrar.
Repetition.
Önce yalnızca dinleyin.
Is there a bus?
Is there a bus to London?
London, New York, Madrid.
Berlin, Paris, Rome.
Yes, there is.
No, there isn't. There isn't a bus to Rome.
Bus, ferry, train.
Car, taxi, plane.
I'm going by plane.
There's a plane at 3 o'clock today.
There's a plane to Rome at 3.
Where's the airport?
Airport, station.
Bus stop, docks.
Where are the docks?
They're about 2 kilometres from here.
Şimdi de şu sözleri dinleyin ve yüksek sesle tekrar edin.
Is there a bus?
Is there a bus to London?
London,
New York,
Madrid,
Berlin,
Paris.
Rome.
Yes, there is.
No, there isn't. There isn't a bus to Rome.
Bus,
Ferry,
train,
car,
taxi.
plane.
I'm going by plane.
There's a plane at 3 o'clock today. There's a plane to Rome at 3.
Where's the airport?
Airport, station.
Bus stop. Docks.
Where are the docks?
They're about 2 kilometers from here.
Practice.
Uygulama.
Exercise 2. Is there a bus to Berlin?
Kitaptaki tarifeye bakarak şu sorulara cevap verin. Önce 2 örnek dinleyin.
Is there a bus to Berlin?
Yes, there is. There's a bus to Berlin on Friday at 12 o'clock.
Is there a plane to New York on Wednesday?
No, there isn't. There's a plane to New York on Tuesday at 7 o'clock.
Şimdi sorulara yüksek sesle siz cevap verin.
Is there a train to London on Saturday?
No, there isn't. There's a train to London on Friday at 11 o'clock.
Is there a plane to Madrid?
Yes, there is. There's a plane to Madrid on Monday at 3 o'clock.
Is there a bus to Paris?
Yes, there is. There's a bus to Paris on Wednesday at 8 o'clock.
Is there a train to Rome on Tuesday?
No, there isn't. There's a train to Rome on Friday at 7 o'clock.
Is there a plane to Madrid on Sunday?
No, there isn't. There's a plane to Madrid on Monday at 3 o'clock.
Is there a bus to London?
Yes, there is. There's a bus to London on Monday at 9 o'clock.
Exercise 3.
Şu şarkıyı söyleyin.
Excuse me, I'm going by ferry. Where are the docks? Not the airport, not the bus stop, not the station, but the docks. Excuse me, I'm going by ferry. Where are the docks?
18.